And we are basically done with this restoration. I still need to put the front tray on, but I'm going to wait a little bit before I do that, just running a few tests first. But I thought I'd like to show you the wiring. There's the lamp, very stable, no flicker when I wiggle it, which is really good. And then we went from not working at all to this. She is beautiful. So we'll do a little stop motion test, turn that down. Let's see what the bobbin winder sounds like. Yep, it sounds like a bobbin winder. They always sound a little rattly to me. Sometimes they don't, but there you go. Everything working exactly as expected. And we went from not working to humming right along. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm excited to see how she sews, to get her stitch regulator going, her stitch tension figured out. I don't know what, I'm using the stick regulator, that's hilarious. And really just sort of get an idea for how she will be performing when we actually sew with her. It's pretty exciting. This is going to be a little loud, but I mean, even that is not as clackery as most sewing machines. I'm really pleased with how she's turned out. It's wonderful. That is just fantastic. So we will have this all set up for test sewing, zero out our tension so that that's working properly, do a last buff and polish, put the tray on, and then I will have to work on her case. I'm not excited about the case because of the puncture wound that someone put in the lid because they put this together incorrectly. I actually had to drive a new spool pin into this lid, and I bought a full replacement, but I thought that the black didn't exactly match the rest of the black. So I went ahead and drove in my new spool pin, sorry. And now that part is back to being what it needs to be, ready to go. I'll see how it holds a spring. Yeah, I'm very excited.